Welcome to Discover Life. Please subscribe to the latest videos.
What the dash diet is and why doctors call it one of the best diets for our health. Let's find out. There are thousands of different diets, but none of them is healthier than the dash diet. This diet is being used by athletes, those who want to cut some weight, and the people who want to take care of their blood pressure. According to the National Institutes of Health, the DASH diet scores 3.3 points in the weight loss effectiveness, and 4.5 out of 5 points for its health benefits. What is the DASH diet? Dietary approaches to stop hypertension is a diet that was developed to treat the high blood pressure and hypertension. However, scientists say that this diet can resolve many more problems. They saw that the blood pressure normalization is only the final goal, but to achieve that, it has to normalize the cholesterol level, reduce the weight, and by doing all that, it also prevents stroke and heart failure. What is the concept of the DASH diet? This diet makes a balance between calcium, proteins and vegetable fiber. Those are most responsible for the functions of the brain and internal organs. You don't have to monitor what you eat. You just need to eat certain products like fruit, vegetables, grains, protein-containing foods, and dairy products. And you should also minimize the intake of salt. It is basically a healthy diet. It is not like those extreme diets. Basic rules: you need to put the quality of the food in the first place. Drink 2 liters of water per day, eat 5 times per day. And one serving should not exceed 215 grams. Maximum daily calorie should be around 500 kilocalories. It can vary based on the level of your physical activity for that day. Sweets, try to avoid them. But if you really have to, limit it to 5 times per week. More cereals, seeds, beans, lean meat, vegetables, etc. No alcohol and no soda drinks. No more than 8 snacks per day. No smokes. Reduce salt, 2 to 3 teaspoons per day, if you have to. Whole wheat bread only. No smoked or fatty foods. No pickles. No pastry. No canned fish, and no meat. You can eat fish, poultry, chicken breast, nuts, etc. What you can eat. Always keep your goals first. If you want to lose weight, you should be in a caloric deficit. In other words, you should eat less. Your daily diet should contain cereals, no less than 7 servings per day. 1 serving equals half cup of cooked pasta, half cup of porridge, a loaf of bread. Fruit, no more than 5 servings per day. 1 serving equals 1 fruit, 1/4 cup of dried fruit, half cup of juice. Vegetables, 5 servings per day. 1 serving equals half cup of boiled vegetables. Non-fat dairy products, 2-3 servings per day. 1 serving equals 50 grams of cheese or 0.15 liters of milk. Seeds, beans, nuts, 5 servings a week. 1 serving equals 40 grams. Animal and vegetable fats, 3 servings per day. 1 serving equals 1 teaspoon of olive or linseed oil. Sweet dishes, no more than 5 times a week. 1 tsp of honey or jam. Water, 2 liters per day, at least. Protein, 0.2 kilograms of lean meat or fish. Eggs. What to avoid? You can't abandon your habits in a single day. Do it slowly. Teach your body what is good and what is bad. How to plan your diet: just use the list of products and determine what you can find in your store and what you have to find. You don't have to do anything special. However, if you want to cut your weight, then cut the amount of recommended servings. There are, of course, more tasty dishes you can cook, and you can find the recipes for the DASH diet on the internet. Conclusion: this is a simple, safe and extremely useful diet that can make you feel better, lose weight, and stay healthy. By adopting this diet, you will provide your body with all the necessary microelements and vitamins, and you will lose weight without some hunger and the yo-yo effect. Maybe you have already tried this diet. it has helped you, leave the comment below. Thank you for watching the video. Happy to you online.